My little wonder. My baby is sleeping. She is in my arms. She is so small and sweet. What does she dream about? Sometimes she makes a small sound. Sometimes she smiles in her sleep. A new baby brings so much joy. We hear the first little cry. We see the first little yawn. The family comes to visit. Everyone wants to hold the new baby. Everyone loves the baby. Babies have a special smell. It is sweet, like milk and sunshine. It is the best smell in the world. I love to hear my baby talk. She says, goo goo gaga. Soon she will say, Mama. My baby has the best laugh. When the dog does something funny, she giggles. It is a sweet, happy sound. A baby learns so many new things. First smile, first tooth, and first step. Every day is a new adventure. She learns to crawl and then to walk. My baby is growing up so fast, but she will always be my baby, and I will always love her.